To download sounds that you can use for your YouTube videos, and these sounds are not copyrighted, that is, YouTube will not flag your video because you use those sounds. It's free to use. So go ahead and open your Chrome browser. When it opens up, search for YouTube Studio. Then you see this option which says studio.youtube.com. What to do is to press and hold. You see the option open in new tab. Tap on open in new tab. So you go ahead and locate the new tab that has been opened by tapping on the tabs icon at the top. Tap on it. So can you see this is the new tab that has been opened for you? Tap on it. When it opens up, you look at the left hand side, you're going to see some icons. So you see this icon, this music icon, just tap on it and it will bring you to the audio library where you can search for sound effects, music you can use in your video. It is currently on music. You can see at the top. You can use the search or filter library by tapping on it. Then you can search by genre, by mood, by artist name, by duration, and all of that. So let's tap on mood. You can select angry, bright, calm, dark, and so on. Let's go back again. Tap on genre. Can you see? You can search children's, cinematic, classical, jazz and blues, pop, reggae, rock, and so on. So you can use the search or filter library for your own benefit in order to get the right or perfect audio you want to use for your video. Now let's say you want to use sound effects. Tap on sound effects at the top again and you see we have different sound effects for you. You can use the search or filter library also to search either by track title, category, duration, and all of that. If you have selected the audio you want to use for your video, let's say I want to use this kids playing in my video. So you just scroll to the right hand side and you'll see the option for download. If you notice, I've already marked it. Can you see? I've marked it. Tap on it. If you want to change it, go to the next one and so on. So let's tap on kids playing, then scroll to the left, then tap on download. It's downloaded, so you can also download it on your computer and go ahead and add it to your videos. And by doing this, you will not get a copyright for using such kind of sounds in the YouTube audio library for your YouTube videos. If you got value in this video, then consider liking this video and I'll see you in the next one. Later.